Okay, Unit 3 review, Day 2. Example question 5. Karen rode her bike 5 miles in 3/5 of an hour. At this rate, how many miles could she ride in 3 hours? Okay, so I'm going to set up a proportion with the labels of miles and hours. Miles and hours. So she can go 5 miles in 3/5 of an hour. And I'm going to set that equal to, the other number I have is 3 hours. So I want to put that on bottom with the hours and solve for x. Okay, then I'm going to cross multiply and I get 3/5 x is equal to 5 times 3. All right, so 3/5 x and 5 times 3 is 15. To undo multiplying, I'm going to multiply by its reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply by 5 over 3. I'm just going to flip this fraction over. And I'm going to come over here and multiply by 5 over 3. Okay, so this divides away to where I'm just left with my 1x. Okay, if you're comfortable with fractions, we can go ahead and simplify this. If not, you have to multiply with some bigger numbers. But I'm going to go ahead and put this over 1. So 15 over 1. Because I have a 3 and a 15 here, and they both divide by 3, I can simplify this. So I can say 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. And doing that simplification makes it easier now for me to multiply. 5 times 5 is 25. So if she has 3 hours, she can go 25 miles. Okay, so at this rate, how many miles could she ride in 3 hours? In that 3 hours time, she can go 25 miles. Okay, so if I lost you right here, I'm going to go back and show you this again. Okay, if simplifying just was too much for you, you can go ahead and multiply 15 times 5. Okay, just means you have to do a little bit bigger number. So 15 times 5 is 25, and so we have 75. So this is going to be 75, and 1 times 3 is 3. And then you have to divide this out. 75 divided by 3 goes in there twice, goes in there 5 times. So you still get 25, but you have to do some more work because the numbers are bigger.